You how to make a catch game in Scratch. So let's get started. First, I want a backdrop. So I will click on a backdrop and choose a backdrop. This is a backdrop that you can take any backdrop here. So I want a light or a hard backdrop. I can pick a hard backdrop. And now I want a sprite. I can click on a sprite and choose a sprite. This is a sprite that you can take anything here. So I want a bottle. I'll search here bottle. So I will click on the bottle. I can also change the color of bottle. How? I can click on the costume. I can click on this band and I can change any color. You can also change any color. I wanted this color or a red color. Red color is perfect. And now let's go to the garden. So now I want that we will have an apple. You can pick anything that you wanted to catch. So click on a spot and choose a spot. You can pick anything here you want. So I will pick, okay, I will pick a balloon or ball. Ball is perfect, and I want ball to be a different color like purple or green. I can pick a blue color of ball or pink color. Pink color is fine. Now let's start coding. So first we have 5 steps. That first we will step one is to move the catcher, and we have to now move the catcher. So you have click on anything, you can pick catcher to move the catcher. So now what I will do, let's start with the vowel. I will go to the motion category, drag change X by 10. And if I click on the vowel moves, and then I'll go to control category, drag if then block, and this is the if then block. You can drag from control category. Okay, and I will go to the sensing category and I will drag touching mouse pointed. So I want a right arrow. So I can click on mouse pointed, not a mouse pointed, sorry. I'll click on key space press and I will click on a right arrow and I'll drag this and put it here and I'll go to the events category, drag when green flag is clicked. Now let's start the game. But if we click on green flag then it doesn't work. It will work with keyboard keys, okay? Now let's start the game. Now we also want a left arrow too. So we can, but nothing happened if we also click on the keyboard. So what should we do? That if I click on a keyboard right there too, but nothing happens. So we want that it will be foreverly. So we'll go to the control category and drag forever block. Now let's check. Now it goes right arrow, and now make I will also make that it will move left arrow too. So I will stop this game. I will duplicate this, and I have another one. This one I'll move to have a space. So I have another one. So change x by 10. I will erase it and write -10. And I will remove this right arrow and write left arrow. Now let's start the game. It goes left 2 and right 2. So you can see we are moving with keyboard keys. Now the step 2 is go to the top so that apple will fall down like you have an apple to catch apple, so you will make an apple that it will fall down. So I have a ball. I'll make a ball to fall down, and we will catch it with the ball. Now, now I have a ball. So I will put the ball like this, and I want ball to be like this. So I can go to the motion category, go to random position. Let me make it big so that you can see. And I will drag set Y to 152. Let me remove this, and I will write this. I will erase this and write 0. If it's 0, can it can fall down, and I will make it 20. Let's check what's happening with 20. It goes up. And if I say 180, now it will go down. See? It will go up. Okay? So now I will drag this and put it here. Now if I click on it, comes like this. It goes like side. So now step 3 is about to fall down. So now we want this ball to fall down. So wait. So we will go to the events category, drag when green flag is clicked. Let's put this when green flag is clicked. And now I will go to the motion category. I'll drag change Y by 10, and nothing happens. So I will erase this 10 and I will write -5. Okay? This is -5. And I'll go to the control category and I'll drag forever block. Now let's start the game. You can see if I click on this thing, it falls down and it stops. So I'll go to the events category, drag when green flag is clicked. And now let's remove when green flag is clicked. No. So I will stop the game and I'll go to the control category, drag if then block, and look, the ball is here. So it's here. So now we want Apple to be here. No, Apple goes like this slowly and slowly. It goes till 170y. So it goes till here. So I will go to the motion category, drag Y position, and I will go to the operators category and I'll drag this block and I'll erase this 50. And you know what's this? This is right arrow and this one is left arrow, okay? Right arrow block. So I will have a link here, nothing. So I'll drag Y position and I'll put this here. And I will write here minus 170. Okay? Okay. So now I will do the same that we did here. Okay? So I will go to motion category, drag code to random position, and I will duplicate this and I have it here. And now I will have 80 and I will drag it and put it here and I will click on go to events category, drag when green flag is clicked. Now let's check, but now we want that the ball goes down. Now the step 4 is to catch it. The ball will come down and we will catch it. So now I will stop the game and I will go to motion category, control category, drag F then block, and I will go to the sensing category, drag touching bowel. Wait, let me just move these. I'll put this here. One should be here so that we can have a space, or I'll click on equal. So I will click on a bowel. And we will do the same again like this. So I'll duplicate this and I'll put this here. Go to random position, set Y to 180. And I'll go to control category and I will go to control category, drag a forever block, and I will go to events category, drag when green flag is clicked, and I'll put the sound there. You can put any sound. So how should I have a sound? I will remove the sound that I don't want, and I can click on choose a sound, and I want a collect sound. You can pick any sound like this, and I'll go to the karting, and I will just drag start sound collect, and I will put it here. Now let's start the game. I cage. So now step 5 is to keep score so that we will score. If you're out, it stops us. So now we will go to variable, and we will make a variable, and I will make a variable score, sorry, score, and I'll say okay, and I have a score, and I will drag change my score by one, and I will drag it and put it here, not here, here. Now let's start the game. I have 1 score, 2 score, 3 score, 4 score, 5 score, 6 score, 7 score, 8 score, 9 score, and 10 score. It comes with 10. It just by its score by 1. If I score by 2, it will have two numbers. If I score by 3, it will have three numbers. And I will drag set my score to 0, and I'll put it here. Now let's start the game. Oh, I'm out. And if I'm out, but the score still has 6 times. And now you know that you, catching games are so fun. So enjoy your game. Bye. Please subscribe and like my channel. See you next time.